just working on this press machine right now, and I feel pressed. You know, they say that everybody wants to be a diamond, but nobody wants the pressure of getting cut. Right now, I'm under a lot of pressure with these weights. Over at this gym, not feeling well, not feeling it at all, but I'm following through. You know, following through wasn't always a thing that worked out for me. But what I realized is that I wasn't thinking correctly. It doesn't matter what I applied it to. So let's say my schooling. Oh shoot, I screwed up in school. Oh, get in trouble. College, screwed up in college. Oh shoot. I don't know what happened in college. Anyway, and then you screw up in life, whether it's with your kids, it's with your marriage. I'm in trouble. It's the little things that I generally would forget to do every single day that prevent any type of fulfillment, success in my life. I mean, there's no good words about it. It's the little tiny things. Got up this morning, put your makeup in bed, and to throw out the trash. It's the little things. It's amazing what a trash can conversation with your friend, partner, spouse, and your parents can end up being because of the little things that we didn't keep our promises on. So this morning, take care of the little things so the little things can take amazing care of you. Get up, get out of bed, get your crap done.